Okay, so this review is of, well, let me show you this. Medium mango habanero guacamole blender. I can't, that it must be a Q code or something like that. I don't know what makes this. Let's see if it shows it on the back. Here are the ingredients and nutrition facts. I don't actually see, there it is. Taylor Farms. Okay. I'm not a real big fan of Taylor Farms. Everything I've tried from them I didn't like, pretty much. I mean, or it just didn't taste in accordance with the name it was given. But, yeah. Taylor Farms I'm not a fan of. Hopefully this will be different. Okay, so you may be able to see that we've got the mango and tomato and red bell peppers. Looks like we've got purple onions. Some people call them red, but they're not red to me, so I don't call them red. And then down below, there's the guacamole. Let's just try a bit of the guacamole by itself. It's a fairly blah guacamole. This is a fairly blah guacamole blender. I'm going to have to fix it before I'm going to want to eat it again. It just doesn't taste good. Certainly not something I would ever buy. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.